The gym is my most favorite place in the world, and it makes you a baddie. This is one of my favorite exercises. Ooh, I'm tired, y'all. Look at the body, yaddy, yaddy, yaddy. But yeah, the gym is one of my favorite places in the world because this is where consistency begins in your life. This is where it starts with your body. It's shower time! I was thinking about the meme in Marvel Rivals. Well, it's not really a meme, but it's what Penny Parker says. It's spider time! But shower, you know? My favorite thing to do, even though it is so basic, you guys can clearly see it on the screen. Showers! This place, okay? We already worked on our body, and now we gotta cleanse it from the top to bottom, okay? Yes, scrub-a-dub-dub. This is my favorite thing to do in the world. Honestly, if I wasn't recording, would it surprise you? Nah, probably not. But I have my phone in there. Part of the reason why I have so much phone damage, I really need like 2 phones, especially now that I do YouTube. But anyways, I usually prop my phone up in the shower while I'm doing all of these things. And I literally watch fucking cheaters. I watch cheaters. Yeah, a lot of toxic shows and Pop the Balloon. Really relaxing, and sometimes I like to smoke in the shower too. But let's go ahead and get ready for the rest of our routine. Now we're gonna go ahead and go through some skincare. Guys, I literally had this idea in my head that I was gonna make this vlog so put together, but Ttyl, so I'm just having fun with it and just sharing obviously the things I love to do, and skincare is one of them. Skincare is a big part of my life. So we go on with our lotion first because my skin is dry as fuck, and then we go on with our oil. Everything that we're doing right now, honestly, we are doing it step by step. Lotion, oil, then some more lotion. Heavier scented lotion. This is how you smell good, okay? And this is how you get your smells to stick. I'm telling you, try this combo. Like, y'all, try this combo. I am one of those people who really take pride in, like, you know, self-care and being up to par. And so moisturizing is a must. Skincare is a must, especially if you have really sensitive skin like me. It's a must. So after we do our oil, I go in with this. It's like a scented lotion. It's like a butter. I guess that's what they call it, like a butter. And it smells so good. Everything layers so perfectly. You have to do it like this, okay? Your lotion, oil, and then your cream on top. Okay? Do this every night, I'm telling you. Smell delicious before the perfume. Feel delicious before the perfume. This is the spritz that I'm gonna use. Oh my gosh. This one, I believe it's number 71, literally smells like a candle. It literally smells like a candle. Okay? Yum. Choked a little bit, but yum. I promise you, you will smell like a walking candle. I'm telling you. Now we're gonna go ahead and get dressed. Honestly, I'm just gonna show you guys my outfits for the night. These are my choices or the options. I get dressed up every night. I'm telling y'all, everything that you guys are seeing in this vlog is my life. These are literally the things that I love. The reason why I love self-care so much is because it's just like, at the end of the day, it's the one thing that helps me keep my sanity. I'm telling you, one thing that helps me keep my sanity, and it's one of the best things. I'm actually so happy that this is the thing that I fell in love with. Like, I'm actually very happy that of all things that I could have fallen in love with, of all things I could have fallen in love with, I fell in love with being beautiful. I fell in love with taking care of myself, because it is one of the most satisfying things ever, okay? Like, ever, to just feel good in your skin. So yeah, back to the outfit choices. Yeah, so I can't show you guys too much of this one here. And I actually had to cut some out because I started to feel like it was showing through a little bit. I'm like, yeah. But yeah, so I ended up going with the first option. Once I chose my outfit, I do go ahead and spray some more because I like to spray it on my clothes as well. We're just gonna finish up, and now we're gonna get into some hair and skincare. And tonight, you guys know, like, come on, Valentine's Day is coming up. Valentine's Day is coming up, okay? It's literally the day that I posted this. So this week, okay, in celebration of self-love and also preparing for anything that might pop up on Valentine's Day, I'm getting myself together. So we're gonna do a honey mask. I got this from Target. Honestly, this honey mask, this is one of my favorite masks. This is one of my favorite masks. Every time I use this, oh my god, my skin be so soft. Like, I love it. If I could buy a bunch of these, I would. This is like the one must-have that I would actually continue to use over and over is honey. I don't know why. And I probably need to do a little more research on the benefits of it, because maybe it's something I can make at home. But I also want to try avocado mask and things like that. Look at how thick it is. Guys, it literally... I'm going to read the ingredients next time, honestly. Because I'm curious if it's just honey. I doubt it's just honey. But it smelled delicious and it tasted sweet too. Don't eat your mask. Okay? Some of it went in my mouth. Okay? So that is why, you know, I tasted it a little bit. And let me tell y'all a backstory real quick. Like, while I was doing my mask, I decided to let it sit for like 10 minutes. And so while it was sitting, I walked past in. And there were 1,000 people outside. So basically everybody saw me outside walking around with a yellow honey mask face. Okay? It was crazy. Insane. And it was melting off. Anyways. Now we're going to moisturize. After I pat my face dry, I go in with my CeraVe moisturizer. And then my tretinoin. You can only get this from the Dr. Ho. My dermatologist prescribed me this because you guys know I have really sensitive, breakout prone, acne prone, all types of prone skin, and I'm allergic to everything in the world. So, yeah. Tretinoin. I also heard it helps keep wrinkles away, wrinkles and fine lines and things like that. So I'm so lucky I get to use it. Bio oil, just because I like to add a little bit of oil in the spots on my face where I'm really dry, which usually is like the corners of my nose, under my eye, and then like anywhere where I feel like I have like fine lines and stuff like that. Okay, let me explain, okay? I know you're like, damn, how much you need to put on your... Look, I am dry. Okay? Dry as hell. So this is what works for me. Alright guys, now we are finally ready to eat. This is actually the next day. Okay? Everything that I'm doing, it's a different day. So, I actually really enjoy cooking. Shocker. Seriously, back in the day, y'all, you would not catch me in the kitchen. But once I started working out heavily, I needed to fuel my muscles. Like, what? And I have a really sensitive stomach. And like I said, I think I've already mentioned it in this video, I'm damn near allergic to everything on planet Earth. So yeah, I'm a really basic cook. I like to keep things really simple, really, you know, healthy. So yeah, and then we're gonna play the game. My second obsession and favorite pastime in the world. This is a first. I have SVP, whatever SVP is. This is the thing about Squirrel Girl, literally. The thing about Squirrel Girl is I do so much damage with her. Like, I have the most damage in the game. Like, look at those numbers. And then look at my damage, boom. Even my teammate has more damage and we still lost. But I have that much damage, but I only have 11 kills. It's insane. Okay, so now we are sitting down for the night. You know, it's time for some more self-care things. You already know Valentine's Day is coming up. So now I'm gonna do some lashes. Self-care part 1000. I already have a tutorial on my channel if you are interested in how to do DIY cluster lashes at home. This is like the most efficient way to do your lashes, ladies, especially if you know, like to have a fresh set or like keep your stuff done. I started doing my lashes at home. I'm so shocked every single time I do them because they look so pretty, gorgeous. I really wanted them to be really full this time, so that's why I did the full shebang. But yeah, I used to pay almost $100 for these every 2 weeks when I could do them at home. And they look just as good. They honestly look the same as when I used to get them done. They just don't last as long, but they're still gorgeous and I love to do them. Pretty, and they last at least a week if you take good care of them. Now we're gonna jump into some very basic nail care. Literally nothing special. I'm just using a Sally Hansen Insta Dry Polish. Y'all, this polish is really good, especially if you just want to do something to your nails really quickly. You want it done quick and you want it done cute. This shit dries so quick, I'm telling you. I be doing my nails at work sometimes, especially when I have places to go and I don't want to look too crazy. I have been taking a break from my nails for almost a year at this point because it's like every time I go get my nails done, something bad happens and my nails have been so damaged from so many years of acrylics and gel. So this is what I've been doing at home just to stay put together, and especially since Valentine's Day is coming up. Let's take a look at all the things that I got from Amazon. I swear these are all things I needed, okay? Don't fight me, okay? I've gotten better at shopping, okay? I've gotten better at not just buying pointless, worthless things, okay? I've gotten better. Yeah, period. First thing I got was a mic. I needed this so bad. It's pink. It's pink. Let's see. Whoop. The best part about it, it's pink. God. Now I'll be able to finish my video for you guys. I needed this too. I swear. I needed one. Because I have a long one, but I need a short one. So this is perfect. Now I can do my makeup and I can have it actually on my vanity. I'm not gonna take it out of the box, but like, I swear I needed this. I swear I did. The last thing I got, I swear it's something I needed. It's like Christmas. I just rip shit open. A mirror. I needed one. I swear I did. I needed another one. Even though I have 10 mirrors in my house, I swear I needed another one. So here it is. Okay. This one is for detail. Okay. So when I'm doing my makeup, it's like right here. And I can see everything in detail. Oh yeah. Yes. I needed these things. I swear. Like my socks? Us against the world. That's what I'll be talking about. You be doing too much. I'm trying to have fun. That's what it's like having an Aussie. Okay? They try to bite you. Everywhere you see, every time you move, them toes start moving. They want them toes. I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose.